Welcome to the Canix Mobile App. The Canix Mobile App is a companion tool to the Canix web platform. This walkthrough will take you through the core features of the app. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation drawer where you can change between the dashboard, the plant batches, the locations, the harvests, or the audit menus. You can also manage accessory hardware connections like Bluetooth scale adapters and RFID readers, and manage app settings or reach out for help and support. Let's begin by scanning a tag. From here, you can start a harvest, manicure the plant, move its location, destroy it, or record waste. You can also see details about the plant below. Let's start a harvest. Select the destination room. The harvest name will be pre-populated based on the strain name and the date. You can edit this if you like. You can enter a lot ID for the harvest or change the unit of measure. Once you've created a harvest, if a Bluetooth scale is connected, a weight will be sent over automatically for the plant tag you just scanned and advance you to the next plant. This is what we call touchless harvesting. Continue scanning plants and entering weights. When you're done with all of the plants in your harvest, review the harvest. You can edit the harvest details or make changes to the plant weights, or continue the harvest by adding additional plants. If you're good with the harvest, submit it to Metric. Otherwise, you can save it to the device and come back later. The plant batches section allows you to manage untagged plant batches. Use the filters at the top to select the location and narrow down the plant batches displayed. Simply select the plant batch or multiple plant batches to take actions on them. You can change phase, move the locations, destroy, and record waste. For changing phases, select a new location, the date, and select the starting plant tag number. You can also enter an optional lot ID. Review the information for the promotion. Make sure that the assigned tags are the correct ones and submit the promotion. Locations allow you to view plant information in the locations for your license. You can utilize the star icon to put favorite locations at the top of your search list. The harvest menu lets you come back to save harvests or review any previous harvest that you've done. You can also start a harvest from the Start Scanning button on the lower right. The audit section allows you to audit a location for any plants. Simply start by using the plus icon in the bottom right. Choose the location you want to audit and the scanning method you decide to use. In the event that you have an RFID reader, a third option will be present. Simply start scanning tags to add them to your audit. You will see a counter at the top that shows the expected amount of plants for the location, the number of plant tags that have been found from that location, the number that have been missing in your audit and have not yet been found, and any excess tags that do not belong to that location. Once you're done, review the audit. You can filter with the pill icons in the middle of the screen to look at the plant tags that have been found, expected, missing, or any excess. You can additionally search for individual plant tags. Once you're done with the audit, you can submit it and take any add-on actions should you choose, such as moving those audited plants to a new location or changing a growth phase. You can also skip the add-ons.